Hello friends, welcome to Information Masters channel. Please subscribe to my channel and follow for more contents. In this video, I will explain about how do lightning and thunder occurs. Do clouds really collide with each other? Friends, the power that can reach around 8 lakh ohms exists only in a single flash. Animals, trees and humans also suffer from this lightning flash. Lightning has a power of 1.12 gigawatts. A single lightning bolt can release a tremendous amount of energy, with estimates often around 1 billion watts or more, depending on the specific conditions and characteristics of the strike. The temperature of lightning is about 30,000 degrees Celsius. The temperature of a lightning bolt can reach up to approximately 30,000 degrees Celsius, which is significantly hotter than the surface of the sun. But the lightning lasts only for a few microseconds. The actual flash of lightning occurs in every short duration, typically lasting only a fraction of a second, often around 30 microseconds. In our eyes, the flash of lightning appears as a single flash, but in reality, there are multiple strokes of lightning. While we often perceive lightning as a single flash, it can consist of multiple strokes occurring in quick succession, which can happen within milliseconds. Approximately 1.4 billion lightning strikes occurred on the Earth in a year. If we consider the estimates of 1.4 billion lightning strikes annually, it averages to about 40 lightning strikes per second in a worldwide. A significant portion of the energy in a lightning strike is converted into light. During a lightning strike, a considerable amount of energy is emitted as visible light, which is what we see as the flash of lightning. No man-made object can produce as much light and sound as lightning. The capturing and storing energy from lightning is fascinating. It presents significant challenges. The energy released during a lightning strike is immense, but occurs in a very brief moments, making it difficult to capture and store effectively. How does lightning occur? How do such powerful lightning strikes occur in clouds without generator or reactor? Yes, lightning does not require man-made generator or reactor because it is a natural phenomenon caused by the physical and electrical process occurring in the atmosphere. The cloud is a combination of liquid, solid and gases. The steam rises upwards in the form of gas. When the air rises, the temperature decreases, leading to condensation and eventually resulting in rainfall. If the temperature drops further, the water droplets turn into ice crystal. There is a connection between this process and the formation of lightning. I will explain this step by step. Formation of thunderstorm. Thunderstorms form when warm moist air rises. As this air ascends, it cools and condenses, forming clouds. If the conditions are right, these clouds can grow tall and develop into rain clouds, which are associated with severe weather. Collision of water droplets. Inside these clouds, the water droplets and ice particles collide with each other as they are carried upward by strong updraft. When raindrops collide, they can transfer electrons from one droplet to another. This process creates an imbalance of electrical charges within the clouds. Charge separation. The collision results in a separation of positively or negatively charges. Typically, the upper part of the cloud becomes positively charged while the lower part becomes negatively charged. This charge separation creates a strong electric field within the cloud and between the cloud and the ground. Fourth step is discharge of electricity. When the electric field becomes strong enough, it overcomes the insulating properties of the air, leading to a sudden discharge of electricity in the form of lightning. This can occur within the cloud or between the cloud and the ground. Connection to the rainfall. The last step is connection to the rainfall. Rainfall occurs simultaneously as the water droplets grow larger and collide within the cloud. When these droplets become heavy enough, they fall to the ground as rain. Friends, I will explain these 5 steps in simple words. Clouds can become electrically charged when the water droplets and ice particles inside them collide and transfer electrons. This creates a positive charge at the top of the cloud and negative charge at the bottom of the cloud. The Earth has a negative charge overall, which attracts the positive charge in the cloud. When these electrical differences between the cloud and the ground become strong enough, it causes a discharge of electricity in the form of lightning. This is why lightning strikes often tall objects on the ground, as it follows the easiest path to reach the ground. And finally friends, it is the beauty of nature and the science within it. Humans are nothing in front of nature. We should bow our heads to the beauty of nature and the science within it. If you like this video, please like and share it with your friends and families. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video with another interesting topic. Thank you.